Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. This Monday we are going to the beach. This guy hasn't gone out for more than 3 months, I think. He has a little wound. Oh, so mommy and I are getting the stuff right now and we are about to go. Heyo! No baby, don't cry. He's not used to the car seat anymore because he forgot what it feels like going outside. Okay, we are moving everybody.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Bite-bite lang kasi. So we are bribing Mako with candy right now, as long as he behaves. Bite lang kasi, bite lang. Ala!
Hey guys,
There he is.
standing up.
Anton's here. Wow, may paganyan-ganyan po. What are you doing, Mako? Calling the monkeys? Oh, okay, Mako's taking control of the vlogging. He's holding it. These are my hands. Mako, say hi. Welcome to my vlog.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart. Jake, you're back! Shut your face! I came back for the music.
Hey, mommy. Say hi. Wait, don't say hi. We are here. Mako is super behaved, just looking outside.
I want buko, by the way, right away.
Yeah, me also. Number 5, that's my number. We are here, Mako! Wait, chill. Yes, baby. Yes, let's go. Oh, panic. He's panicking. It's not working. It's against the light. So we're here in the search for food because we came unprepared. Hi!
Anak, kalayo naman yan.
Halika na, let's go. I'm going to the water. Mako, come here. Water. What? Are you happy? What? It's a boat. Come. Oh, Mako has made angkas on me now, and I have no choice but to be Mako's horse. Hold tight, you're gonna fall. Okay, so we're going back to the table, BRB. Oh, it can't be helped. Sobrang kulit. Every time I bring him to our hut, I would need a leash or some rope to keep him there. Happy? Whoa! Okay, so we're in the ocean now, and I can't see shit. It's a lovely day, and Mako is so freaking cute! Oh, no. That's not funny at all. Maybe look at the camera. It's wet. Say BRB. Okay, bye-bye. So we're just chilling here on the side. Mako's doing whatever he wants.
And before you know it, they're assholes now. They're what? Assholes. Oh, like these three.
Mako. Mako! Mako's just running around wherever he wants. Lala, may bata, may bata!
Saan mama mo, Doy?
So I'm going out to the beach. Literally, kanina pa Mako was asking everybody to go swim with him. And then nobody would go. But then, nabola niya si Mikay. Good job, bruh. So there they are right now.
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
Oh, he's so happy. Nice swimsuit.
I got it from Palawan Swimwear.
Hey, shameless plug. Come, walk.
Okay.
Come on.
Bye, Mako!
All aboard the Mako train. Chick.
Oh, he's so cute!
Sit down kasi, sit down.
Oh, yan, drag. Ganyan, Mako. Say choo-choo!
Somebody's playing budots and it's loud off.
Bye!
If you're gonna play your own music in the beach, hello, Noemika is leaving us. What the?
Mako, what do you have to say?
I want kiss. Kiss mama. Hello. Sorry, we are against the light. Trying to make it dramatic. Joke. It's just bad lighting.
And it feels like we can do it all night.
Hey, we can do it all night. July 29 your birthday, Marit.
No!
27!
27! When is he? August 9?
August 9.
At least I know Mako's birthday.
I know your birthday.
You said 29.
That was I was talking about somebody else. I had myself
Okay. Excuses.
Somebody else.
Woof.
Bro, Mako found some friends. Kaya nga eh. Ask for ball. Say hi, Mako. Say hi. Mako, huwag ka na gumaya. Stop it. No, you'll fall. You don't know how. No. So we're gonna swim now.
You got my shirt all sanded, boy.
What? Oh my God, why? So mommy's gonna be there and she's gonna catch the news for us.
Send that to Uncle Mark and say, Uncle Mark's gonna say, he's peeing on me. No, he just went, bro. No, he's peeing on me.
The guy in a natural habitat petting a random dog.
Let's swim, please.
What I said.
Let's swim, please. Mommy has found the chismis looks like. Mommy, what happened? What happened?
Swim na kasi.
Mommy, what happened daw?
Wala, hindi maintindihan. Kaibigan pala raw yun. Pareho silang nakainom.
This place is quite beautiful.
That feels good!
I love you, baby. I love you. So nice there are no waves. I'm so happy.
That feels good!
Lady, who are you?
What do you want from me?
Who are you people?
Anton game. Hindi nga na rin. Sige na rin. Papansit. I'm dying. I'm dying. Takutin mo rin si Mako.
Mako, logo.
Fine.
Tangina mo.
Shongay! Ang ganda ng shot nila.
Wow.
A solar eclipse. Finally, someone who gets me. Eh, pangit lasa no. Cinematography, bro. Heard of it?
That feels good!
So, once in a while, go to the beach, you feel like you're done with the world, because this she's the brand! Sarap ng... Again, Mako, again. Kiss the water. Bye-bye, water! Oh, looks like we're going now. So we're going down now. We are against the light. Body side. Okay, Mako, tayo. So we're not. Okay, guys. We're gonna leave the water and earth pop up. And thanks for coming along with us on this beach day. Right, Mako? Come along. What, baby? Bye-bye, water. Thank you for letting us swim on you today. Okay, bye. Bye-bye, water. So, that's all I gotta say about that. Thank you for watching this week's video. Next time.
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.